Now we will discuss the backplate. I rejected using the standard backplates in the Rebel rebreather. Why? Because all the standard wings and backplates were created for use with twins, and by adding adapters they can be used with a single tank. In the same way, using a single tank adapter, you can mount a standard backplate and wing to a rebreather. Simple? Yes. Perfect? No. This is the reason why I decided to create a rebreather dedicated plate. After 3 years of experiments and changes, this is the result. This backplate is the mainstay of the Rebel rebreather. The backplate acts as a skeleton, which carries the weight of the entire rebreather. The canister, tanks, wing, harness and regulators are mounted on it. Thus, this is a load-carrying element. The dimensions of the backplate differ from standard ones. It's a little bit wider and longer and differently shaped, so meeting the rebreather diver's specific needs and objectives. I use titanium as it is the lightest and most durable metal and is corrosion resistant. The backplate consists of 2 parts that are not welded but riveted, which doesn't influence the durability of the construction. As you can see, there are fastenings for regulators and tanks. For the canister, there are utility holes. The harness and wing are separate at the moment. We'll talk about them in the next video. Here, I want to demonstrate to you the unique features of this backplate. It makes it completely different to all other existing models. Actually, it's the first backplate in the world that has a built-in weight system, not weight pockets that can be fastened to the plate, but the plate itself having a dedicated area for loading weights. Thus, the size of this area allows us to load standard 1 and 2 kilo weights of all possible shapes and sizes. You can just put weights inside, but for your convenience, there is a special pocket. It has a very simple design and its function is only to make it easier to add and remove weights before and after dives.
Почему? Потому что его задача только вытащить удобно груза из шахты.
Just one or multiple weights may be added. The maximum weight load is 10 kilos if you use variable 2 kilo pieces. Securing the weights is done by fastening on the top. One holds, the second secures. You just put the weight inside, close and additionally fix with a Velcro strap. Also, if you need to put less than 10 kilograms, you can move the fixator in the holes you can see now. Thus, you can change the weight's location and to correct your trim. If a diver uses the rebreather at home, not trailing for diving, he can cast one monolithic weight. In this case, the process of putting weights in and pulling out will be even easier. The maximum weight load using 2 kilo weights is 10 kilos, whilst a single cast piece is 13 kilos. The weight enclosure is located close to the diver's back. This allows weight placement closer to the centre of gravity. This backplate is the first plate in the world with a built-in weight system.